In this video, I'll guide you through how to track seasonal trends on Google Trends. Whether you're working on marketing campaigns, planning content, or just curious about when people search for certain topics, understanding seasonality can give you a real edge. We'll move step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to see when interest in a topic rises and falls throughout the year. First, you'll want to open your browser and go to trends.google.com. This is Google's free tool that shows how search interest changes over time. There's nothing to install or sign up for, and you can use it right away. Once the page loads, you'll see a search bar right in the middle or at the top, along with some examples of trending topics. We're going to focus on using that search bar to explore a topic you care about. Now, search a keyword that you want to analyze. This could be anything: a product, a service, an event, or even a general topic. Try to keep it simple at first, maybe one or two words, so you get a clear picture. Type your keyword into the search box and wait for the suggestions to appear. Google often suggests related search terms, and you can pick one of those if it matches what you're looking for, or just press enter to use exactly what you typed. The key is to start with something you expect might have ups and downs through the year, like holidays, sports seasons, or school-related searches. After you enter your keyword, you'll see an option or a button labeled Explore. Click Explore to open the full details view for that keyword. This takes you to the main dashboard for Google Trends, where most of the useful information lives. The Explore page might look a bit busy at first, but don't worry, we're going to focus on just one core section for tracking seasonality. On the Explore page, look for the chart labeled Interest Over Time. This is the most important area for understanding seasonal trends. The horizontal axis shows time, usually over the past 12 months by default, and the vertical axis shows search interest on a scale from 0 to 100. That 100 doesn't mean 100 searches, it means the peak popularity of your term during the selected time period. To track seasonal trends, pay close attention to the shape of this line over time. If you see regular peaks and dips at similar times each year, that's a seasonal pattern. For example, you might see a spike every November or every summer. Those repeating spikes tell you when interest reliably increases, which is incredibly useful for planning campaigns or timing product launches. You can also adjust the time range above the chart to get a clearer sense of seasonality. If it's available, try expanding the date range to the past 5 years. This makes recurring patterns much easier to see because you can compare year over year. The more consistent the pattern, the more confident you can be about the seasonal trend. As you review the interest over time chart, take a moment to note when interest rises, when it drops, and how sharp those changes are. This simple graph is your main tool for understanding when people care most about your topic throughout the year. And that's all you need to start tracking seasonal trends on Google Trends. Go to trends.google.com, search a keyword, click Explore, and study the interest over time section to see those seasonal patterns come to life.